This is the Kybate AC power cord designed specifically for the QFX SBX-415202 Bluetooth Tower home theater speaker system. If you own this particular speaker and find yourself in need of a replacement or a spare power cable, this product aims to be the solution. It's engineered to provide the necessary power connection to get your speaker up and running again. Looking at the specifications, this cord handles an input voltage range of AC 100 to 240 volts at 50-60 Hz. This wide compatibility means it's suitable for use in various power environments globally, though the plug format itself is Type B, which is a standard 3-prong grounded plug commonly used in places like North America. The connector gender is the typical male-to-female configuration you'd expect for a power supply cord. One of the key aspects highlighted is safety. The manufacturer states that this cord complies with top industry standards and has international quality certification. It incorporates multiple safety mechanisms designed to protect both the cord and your connected device. These include protection against short-circuiting, over voltage, over current, and internal overheating. This level of built-in protection is reassuring, especially when dealing with sensitive electronics like a home theater speaker system. It's important to pay attention to the manufacturer's note advising users to ensure they choose the right device before purchasing. While this cord is listed for the QFX SBX-415202, confirming your speaker's power input port matches this cord is always a good practice to avoid any compatibility issues. The cord itself is a standard black color. Overall, for owners of the QFX SBX-415202 speaker system, this Kybate AC power cord appears to be a reliable and safe option for restoring or maintaining power to their device. Its wide voltage input range and comprehensive safety features make it a practical choice for anyone needing a dedicated power solution for that specific speaker model.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.